And this is using advanced technology. This is blockchain Hyperledger Fabric on Linux 1, which is a fancy way of saying this is an enterprise system meant to empower 1 billion people to gather together to monetize waste. And I'm proud to say that in the next 10 years, we anticipate preventing over 1 billion pounds of plastic from entering the ocean.
If I'm really trying to simplify blockchain, I think it's just a data storage system that's simply the most trusted and secure way to instantly approve and record any exchange of value. I'd say ignore Bitcoin, ignore miners, exchange of value, it's a trust stamp, that's what blockchain is.
Nice, look at that.
We can automate accounting, use smart contracts to automate legal processes. We could have a world with no accountants, no lawyers, and I think less lawyers will make a very good place.
So I was here last September in Montpellier, France, working in the design studios, mapping everything out on the walls, putting all the code, getting the teams together. Since then, it's been an award-winning platform at IBM Partner World. It won the Beacon Award. We presented at IBM Interconnect, where the first time we released the demo to the world and showed the blockchain code working. And proud to announce this summer we'll be in the Philippines, fully up and running with a blockchain solution. It's been a great week in Montpellier, presenting on our blockchain solution, showing other people the case studies that we've done, what we've gone through, why we're using blockchain, why we're using IBM. You know, I'm always proud to say when you're trying to change the world, it's too risky to work with anyone other than IBM. I mean, one of the hardest challenges is how do you deliver on the promise of doing good and have the world trust it? And for us, it's all about those trust stamps. Blockchain is a trust stamp. Linux 1 is a trust stamp. And honestly, for us, IBM is a trust stamp when it comes to our investors, our partners. When people ask, you know, as a startup, how do you plan on scaling around the planet? It's these trust stamps that really make everything possible. The reason that I get inspired and optimistic about the future of this planet is that when we have open source codes and we can build on things and have one solution make another one possible, this is really when I think the script to save this planet will be written in code. And I thank all of you for playing your part. So thank you.